Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play that American folk song Turkey in the Straw on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 7. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 7. Blow into 5. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11 3 times. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. And breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 11. Breathe in through 10 twice. Blow into 11. And breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 5 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 7. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 14. Blow into 13. Blow into 11. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, blow into 13. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. Blow into 11. And blow into 13 twice. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. Blow into 11. and blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 9, breathe into 12, breathe into 14, breathe into 12, breathe into 14 twice, breathe into 12, breathe into 14, breathe into 12, and breathe in through 14. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 10, breathe in through 14, breathe in through 16, blow into 15 twice, blow into 13 twice, blow into 11 twice, and breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 11 is exactly the same as phrase 7. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.